Hi, I'm Hillary and I'm a YYOGA teacher. I'm here to hopefully inspire some meditation opportunities in your life that you may or may not already do. And this is a little bit of a tutorial to find mood boosting happiness in your meditation. Little bit about meditation is more often than not we think that we can't do it because we're too busy. Even finding 2 minutes in your day or your life is truly one of the most powerful things you can do to close your mind and to put forth an intention of whatever's going on in your day or your life. With meditation, it's usually in the places that we think we shouldn't be meditating where we probably should. So it's really about quieting the mind, perhaps like when you're in traffic or when there's something going on in your business and your workday where you can just come and find breath. Breath is one of the most powerful things when you meditate. Another thing is to find a space that makes sense for you, and it can be anywhere. Perhaps the most uncluttered place would be the best. When you have stuff around you, it can be a little congested in that way, mind and body and energy that way. So when you can sit down in a place that feels comfortable is great. So that can be like on your bed, it can be on your couch, it can be anywhere. Settling in, lots of ways to meditate. And let me tell you this, there is no right or wrong. So know that whatever you're doing with an intention of even a minute is massive. Okay, so finding a space, sitting down, easy seat. Some of you might be very familiar with yoga poses. This is called easy seat sukhasana. Sitting like this and finding your two bony parts in your bum wiggle in so you feel really nice and even. You can have your hands down on your thighs. When your hands are down on your thighs, this is really settling in and grounding yourself in. Okay, if you feel pretty open already, you'll notice that the palms want to turn upwards. Okay, once again, no right or wrong. Just seeing where you're at in that moment. So as the palms turn up, it's nice and open. You can even draw your pointer finger and your thumb together, which is called Jhana Mudra, which is representative of a circle. So if you look down and you see this is a circle of knowledge and wisdom within you. So when you're open to that is really powerful in your meditation. You can even turn the palms down and have pointer finger thumb together too. So it can be grounding in or opening up. Okay. Rolling the shoulder blades back and settling in and even closing your eyes. And there's lots of ways to meditate. In fact, hundreds of thousands of ways. What I'm going to guide through today is really just something that's really special and near and dear to my heart. And I find it very mood boosting and happy. It's a poem that I wrote with one of my best friends over 15 years ago now. She found out that she had cancer, and so we woke up in the morning and said, how are we going to get through this? And so we wrote this poem. It's called My Attitude, and she's happy and healthy now. Just had a baby boy 2 weeks ago, as a matter of fact. So, you know, this can definitely work. But what this poem represents is lines of positivity that you can bring into your day. And I've read this a million times, I think. But when you listen to it, you'll find that maybe one line will start to resonate with you, maybe more than another. Yeah, so let's begin. Come to your comfortable seat and close your eyes and give your two bony parts in your bum a little wiggle. And once again, hands down on the thighs or turn the palms up. Take a great big inhale breath through your nose. And a cleansing exhale through your mouth. Hey, don't be shy to breathe. Great big inhale breath through your nose. Big exhale through your mouth. As you settle into your space, feel this almost sense of calming coming over your body. And I'll encourage the inhales through your nose and exhale through your mouth as we come into this meditation. Inhale through the nose. Big exhale through the mouth. Feel your collarbone and your shoulders soften and relax. And then let your jaw soften and relax. And I like to think of all those muscles around your eyes and your forehead. I call them the thinking muscles. Let them just smooth out. Nowhere to go. Nothing to do. Just breath. Soften. Relax. Inhale, wave in. Relaxing, wave out. Inhale, wave in. Softening, wave out. Wave in. And wave out. And keep that breath moving on a continual journey for you. And thinking about all of the good things in life, this sense of inhaling love and exhaling gratitude. Inhale love. Exhale gratitude. My attitude. I promise myself to be so strong that nothing can disturb my peace of mind. Inhale love. Gratitude. To talk health, happiness, and prosperity to every person I meet. Inhale love. Gratitude. To make all my friends feel that there is something in them. Inhale love. Soften into gratitude. To look at the sunny side of everything and make my optimism come true. Inhale love. Gratitude. To think only of the best, to work only for the best me, and expect only the best every day. Inhale love. Gratitude. To be just as enthusiastic about the success of others as I am about my own. Inhale love. Gratitude. To forget about the mistakes of the past and press on to the greater achievements of the future. Inhale love. Gratitude. To wear a cheerful countenance at all times and give every living creature a smile. Love. Gratitude. To give so much time to the improvement of myself that I have no time to criticize others. Inhale love. Gratitude. To be too large for worry, too noble for anger, too strong for fear, and too happy to permit the presence of trouble. Inhale love. Gratitude. Let all of that energy settle. Your words are powerful. You only need to say something once and then it's with you. The subliminal mind hangs on to everything. So everything you just said is with you all day, every day. My attitude is my life. Draw your hands into prayer, into heart center. Let this energy settle in at your heart. And bow your chin into your chest. Find whatever energy brings itself to you in a word, a mantra. That can be an I am, with whatever your word is. Really feel it. Great big inhale breath. energy and happiness for your day. Big exhale with gratitude. Raise your thumbs to your forehead. This is honoring the energy around you. Everyone around you will feel it, I promise. And gently raise your chin, blink your eyes open. Namaste.